Have you ever wondered how doctors can get a detailed look into the health of your brain and spinal cord without performing complex surgery? It is a fascinating question that often involves a very specific and informative diagnostic procedure. Yes, fluid analysis from a spinal tap, also known as a lumbar puncture, is indeed a powerful tool that can detect a wide range of diseases affecting the brain, spinal cord, and surrounding tissues. It provides crucial insights that are often unavailable through other tests, helping doctors pinpoint conditions early and accurately. The reason this analysis is so effective lies in the cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF. This clear, colorless fluid surrounds and protects your brain and spinal cord, acting like a cushion. Importantly, CSF also carries away waste products and can reflect changes happening within the central nervous system itself. By carefully examining this fluid, medical professionals can find markers or abnormalities that signal the presence of various infections, inflammatory conditions, and even certain neurological disorders. Think of it like a window into the brain's internal environment. During the procedure, a small sample of CSF is collected and then sent to a laboratory for a thorough examination. In the lab, technicians look for several key indicators. They count the number and type of white blood cells, measure protein and glucose levels, and check for the presence of bacteria, viruses, or unusual cells. For example, high protein levels or specific antibodies might suggest an inflammatory disease, while the presence of particular cells could indicate a brain bleed or even cancer. The results are carefully compared against normal ranges to identify any deviations that point to a health concern. What makes this fluid analysis particularly valuable is its ability to detect conditions like multiple sclerosis, a chronic disease affecting the brain and spinal cord, and various forms of meningitis, which is an inflammation of the membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord. It can also help diagnose certain neurodegenerative diseases and even some types of cancer that have spread to the central nervous system. These conditions might not always be visible on imaging scans, making the CSF analysis an essential diagnostic step. Ultimately, a spinal tap and subsequent fluid analysis empower healthcare providers to understand the root cause of complex neurological symptoms. This diagnostic clarity allows them to develop the most appropriate and effective treatment plans, giving you the best chance for a positive outcome and helping to maintain your brain health.